Good morning. Well, Wall Street wrapped up the June quarter on a high, with the Dow dancing 17.8% higher, the best quarterly gain since 1987. European stocks wrapped up their quarter, the best one in 5 years. And in Australia yesterday, we turned it on, ending the second quarter up 16.7%. That was the best quarterly rise since 2009. Now, overnight, we heard from the US Central Bank Chair and the Treasury Secretary in their response to COVID-19. Now, in particular, Steve Mnuchin said that the US economy is in a strong position to recover from COVID-19. The S&P 500 ended 1.5% higher, the Dow up 217 points, the Nasdaq up the most 1.9%. Now, as for key standout stocks, Lululemon shares rose 6% on news that it's buying an at-home fitness company, and Micron shares rose 4% higher, or just over that, on stronger than expected earnings. Now, moving to commodities, the oil price nudged 0.3% higher to $39.82. Gold shone 1% higher, nearing an 8-year top. It's now $1,798 an ounce. Copper gained 1.4%, while the iron ore price lost a bit of momentum, falling 0.2%. Now, a few very key things to watch today. Well, firstly, the Aussie market is eyeing a muted start. The futures are suggesting a 0.1% of a haircut to kick off the new financial year. But let's keep in mind the ASX 200 is now about 30% up from its bear market COVID-19 bear bottom. Now, on the economic front, a lot to watch today. Manufacturing numbers out for June. The sector tipped to remain in contractionary phase. Building approvals out, expecting a 10% fall given the numbers are from May. And COVID-19 restrictions ease heavily in New South Wales today, with pubs and clubs to allow max capacity, adhering to space restrictions. Weddings can have up to 20, public gatherings allow up to 20, funerals up to 50, and community sport can kick off. So keep an eye on CCL, WOW and COL, with food and beverage demand to tick up. Now, a lot of ETFs go ex-dividend today, including VGS, which is a popular global investment, and VAS, which invests in the ASX 300. Now, 3 trading ideas from UBS. Well, firstly, the International Bank has rated the KFC franchisee Colins Foods CKF as a buy, following its stronger than expected results in this very challenging environment. Now, KFC sales were up 12% so far in the second half of this year, and given more people are opting for the special recipe, that's a finger licking good. Apparently, UBS upgraded its outlook for CKF, suggesting its shares will grow to $10.65. Secondly, UBS reiterated IDP Education, IEL is their code. The student placement business is a long-term growth story, according to UBS, with a $18.20 price target. And thirdly, Telstra lifted their mobile prices. UBS reiterated the telco giant as a buy with a $3.70 target. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading. Stay safe.